Do you ever get that feeling where you just want to go somewhere new? A new adventure? I had that feeling this year, man. I hit up my boy Mike and his girlfriend Georgia. I guess you could say I was third wheeling, but that's alright. Because this country is an absolute gaff, mate. But hold your horses. Check out the state of this bridge. Going on, you lot. So we're here at the 9 Arch Bridge in a place called Ella, Sri Lanka, obviously, because this is the Sri Lanka series collection. I don't know. And we've obviously got Mikey V down there shooting with Georgia, doing their thing. They're two of the best at it, so it's really cool to go and watch them do what they do. And yeah, man, we're in this like tea garden field thing. So yeah, man, this country is full of tea gardens, mate. Like huge amounts of tea. This 9 Arch Bridge is absolutely gorgeous. The colours, the blue of the sky, the old rusticy look of the bridge itself, and then the foreground of these green leaves. Let's crack on with the day. Sure that's not a swarm of bees? So, Bomburu, Waterfall. Unfortunately, the sun isn't in the right place for this waterfall, but we're gonna go anyway. I've never really used like these bottom harness straps for my bag, mainly because it reduces your sex appeal by about 120%. But I've been using it on a couple of little hikes on this trip, and I'll tell you what, mate, it actually reduces the weight of the bag on your back massive amounts. So I'll take the sex appeal reduction for some nice comfortable bag carrying for an hour or so at least. Then I'm back to full 100% sex appeal. I can hear something, sounds like running water. Where is it? Crikey. Yes. It's not very big, but should be fun. God, well, it's getting a bit double lively over here, Shane. Love a good waterfall, me. Oh yes. Oh yes. Love a little Jungle Book scene, mate. I fancy myself as a bit of a Mowgli anyway, so. Oh, I'm back. I'm back, baby. Woo! What? This is sick! Woo! Best waterfall I've probably ever seen in my life, mate. Yes! Oh, Mikey V! Mikey V, where you been there, son? Been for a mud bath? Crikey! Woo! Oh man, I just had like 2 damn leeches on my foot, bro. Not ideal. Bosh, that is easily the best waterfall I've ever seen in my life, mate. Oh man, what a session that was. Honestly, shooting with these lot is so much fun every single time, man. Pretty wet and wild and all that funky stuff. Something that I always find about shooting in locations like this, foreground is the one. I've made so many videos talking about this. If you can get the foreground in your shot, honestly, everything will look so much better, and it emphasises that movement. So yeah, definitely think about trying to get foreground in your shot, especially when you've got nice shrubbery and like green leaves and stuff. They always look the nuts when you're using them for a bit of foreground. But enough of this waterfall. Me, Mike and Georgia just went out and got some amazing Sri Lankan food, but now we're on our way up to, I don't know how to say it, I'm butchering every single name of every single place that is in Sri Lanka. Pangadagala mountain, which is going to overlook the Sigiriya rock. So this sunset should be pretty naughty. To get in this temple as well, you need to take your shoes off, and I've got the most disgusting trotters you've ever seen. Gnat bites galore. Great. Just made it up to the top of Pengala rock. Still don't know how to say it, but man, check out this view. Oh, that is the Sigiriya rock over there. My God, I say this every single time I come somewhere sick, mate, but these locations are so mad. So lucky to come places like this. One thing with shooting these locations is there's tons and tons of people. Like for example, look up here, massive like tourist spot, which is a nightmare. But if you're going to come at sunset or sunrise, you're always going to get better shots, and try and find like unique locations that no one's shot before. So let's shoot this big rock. Sick. I'm not even going to look at the camera. Yeah. Oh, that was lucky. Oh my God, man. Honestly. Sometimes when I'm shooting, mate, I just get lost for words. Man, honestly, it's just so sick. Every time I shoot with Mike, mate, sunsets, new locations, new sunsets, new light, new locations, new subjects. So much fun, mate. Oh, what a start to Sri Lanka, bruv. Sigiriya rock, mate. You are peng. And I mean it. You are peng. So, yeah, mate. I haven't really got much else to say. I just listened to like the naughtiest techno beat, just looking out at this mad view, man. My God, look at this. Honestly. Look, what am I doing? What is life? What is life? Mate, honestly, check. Like, what? You don't see these kind of views every day, mate. It just don't happen. Essex ain't quite like this, but Essex is nice. But not as nice as this. So, yeah, mate. Let's get back down before it gets too dark and I break a leg, because I don't need that.